Superman. Strong. This one you might know. Call it the dab. Dab. Exactly. The next one, the last one, could be easy, but you can make it. We call it the 360. The reason why we call it the 360 is because we're gonna turn around. So when you push up, you take your left leg up and then turn around. Can you do that?
Yes, yes,
Exactly.
yes, sir. Here we go.
So now we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna clap first, and we're gonna roll, and we're gonna do Superman, and we're gonna do 360. Okay, I'm gonna say the words.
What happened with dab?
Oh, Superman, and then dab, and then 360.
Yes.
Do you remember the words?
Yeah.
Okay, we call this the roll, the clap, the Superman, the dab, and the 360. Okay, are you ready? I'm bad at this, okay? So, let's see if we can. 1, 2, 3, go. Roll, clap, Superman, dab, 360.
Yes!
Clap,
Go.
Superman, dab, 360.
Whoa! Let's go!
Strong one.
Oh,
3, 4, 5,
perfect.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Easy.
Og så nu laver vi det, der hedder 5 squats. Vi laver 5 stykker af de her. Okay? Og vi starter nu. 1, 2, 3, 4 og 5. Og så ved 6. der bliver vi nede. Og så skubber vi knæene ud af. Og vi tæller til 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. Ja, vi kan. 8, 9 og 10. Og vi tæller til 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. Og så vi hånden lidt, og så vender vi dem om. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. Og så igen. Så samler vi en toppen her. Og så kører vi i cirkler. 1, circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. Og så den anden vej. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. Så ryster vi igen. Og så er der håndryggene her. Fremad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. Og så er lidt. Og så nedad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. Og så lige igen. Og så en sidste vinkel. Ud til siden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. Så styrer hånden igen. Så samler vi. Så gør vi en selv. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. Så tager vi hænderne ud til siderne, og så kører vi hånden i cirkler, forvarm albuen. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Og så den anden vej. 2, Super. Så tager vi hænderne på skulderen. Og så går vi alle mulige store cirkler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Og så den anden vej. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 og 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 og 15. Næste øvelse er nogle flotte kicks, men så står jeg stille og roligt på maven.
Kick up and down.
1,
Yes,
2,
exactly.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 og 15. Næste øvelse, det var leg raises.
Come. Leg raises. Lay back down. Lift your legs.
4,
Lift your legs. Yes.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 og 15. Okay, og vi er i gang med det så. 1, 2, 3, 4. Op og numsen derovre. Ass op, yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 og 15. Så. Fem, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 og så laver vi flutter kicks. Hvis vi laver flutter kicks, så slår vi os selv ind i maven. Ikke alt for hårdt. 4, 5, 6. In the middle.
Maybe like that.
Jump up first. Right leg up. Yes. Then take the hand on the other side, jump to the other leg.
Oh yeah.
Other leg, yes. And swing down. Right, yes. Sit on the up and then swing over. You think you can do that faster?
Yeah.
Let's try. Jump up first. Right leg up. Straight out your arms. Up. Yes. Yes. Nice. Nice. Come up to the other leg. Yes. Swing the leg up. And then the other side. Strong. Right leg up. Take on the other side. Jump to the other leg. And swing the other up. Yes. And then yes. Exactly. And then yes. Yes. And then down. Huh?
Det ender med det bliver sådan.
Easy. Try again. Up. Swing up. Yes. Nice. Okay. And then you can kick up the other leg. Yes. More power next time. More kick. Up. Yes. Nice. Nice. 2, 3. So now you can combine all the leg up. Yes. Swing up. Other side. Other side. Yes. And then leg up. Leg up. Kick up. Yes.
Yes.
Exactly. Exactly.
What that? Yes.
Yes. And then into the middle. Jump into the middle. Yes. Yes. Remember what to do? Up, man. Just jump up. Jump up. Then swing here, up there. Yes. Exactly. Swing and now do it. Exactly.
Yes.
Yes. One more time. One more time.
Yeah, one more.
There. Nice. Nice. And when you
Rest.
Nice.
Let's go. Oh.
Swing. Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Get some more swing. More swing. More swing.
Yes. Back there. There.
Now.
Nice. One more. There. Nice. One more. Nice. And then when you swing, yes, swing down. Last time.
Oh.
Good swing. Good swing.
Oh.
Nice.
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 Really
Or
nice.
fast.
Nice.
Woo! We did a clap
Nice.
wrong.
It was clear.
Lægger alt for godt. Der.
Yes.
Exactly, and over.
And look back. And when your feet go out, jump down and land
There we go.
on your feet. Yes. Jump up. Look back. When you can see the ground. Yes. One more time. Nice. Both legs. Yes. All the way down as much as possible. There and up again. Up. Strong. Nice. That's right. Yes. Land on the feet. Balance. Lidt tættere på, hvis det er. Yes. Ja, og så prøv nu. Præcis. Må jeg se? Yes. Do you remember the Superman? Okay. Alle sammen kig derover. Det er Superman. Yes. Må jeg se? Yes. En gang til. Nice. Okay. Kender I The Dab? Må jeg se? Ja, det er rigtigt. Ikke ramme hinanden. Pas på hinanden. Yes. Stærk. Okay. Hvad med 360? Præcis. Så I tager. Stærk.
Ja.
Okay, jeg behøver ikke at fortælle jer, hvordan man gør. Yes. Stærk. Og hvad med klap under venstre ben? Har du bag ryggen?
Ja.
Venstre ben. Yes. Og højre ben.
So right leg. Yes.
Ja, okay. Så nu har vi lige pludselig været en rutine. Så hver gang jeg siger klap,